Okay guys, I'm back. Yeah, I'm trying to get this Camaro started. So we checked the starter is fucked. So I gotta replace the starter, which I'm gonna do tomorrow. A couple other things I noticed is my belt is fucked. So I inspected the belt. Let's see what we get here. There is a crack on the side, so it's gone. So I ordered a new one, thinking it would be easy. Here is the new one. But when it came, I checked the size and it's a 405 when the one I needed was a 420. So no belt today. I'm gonna change this plug. The car has no AC or no heater, which you don't really need. The carb, I got a full carb rebuild kit, and I'm gonna get rid of the blower. So the blower looked good a little bit, but what I'm gonna do is, here is the old blower. So what I got is, I'm gonna replace her with this air filter. I also most important thing is a manual. I have a cab rebuild kit here, and I have a whole fuel line kit. What else do I got? I got a little plug. This is more fuel lines. This is my speakers for the back. My seats is in good condition. I'll show you the inside. If you're gonna see the inside, I've taken the door panels, I've taken the seats out, I've taken everything. It's actually not that bad. Got a couple little bits of rust, but it's not in the body. It's just top. So I've checked it. The one thing I'm a little bit worried about is that there is a little rust spot here. So I'm gonna have one of my mates come and help me, because one thing about me is I hate welding. I hate it with a heartbeat. Now here is the boot, the trunk, and here the trunk is quite good apart from this spot. So I think this is gonna be a can of worms here, and this side is gonna be a can of worms too. But apart from that, she's quite good. Not too much rust at all. If any of y'all know what size this motor is, can you let me know? It's definitely a big block. As you may know, I'm a motorcycle mechanic, but I'm a little bit knowledgeable on the cars, but I haven't really worked on a big block. But I'm trying my hardest. So if anyone knows what size this motor is, let me know. I will be quite happy.